Unearthing the meaning of shovel out. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dig into a phrase that can be a bit tricky for learners of English: shovel out. Whether you're braving the snow or just curious about this expression, you've come to the right place. Let's get ready to clear away any confusion and uncover the meaning together. At first glance, shovel out seems to speak for itself. It's made up of two words: shovel, which is a tool used for moving material like dirt, gravel, or snow, and out, suggesting a movement away from something. When we put them together, it typically refers to removing snow or debris from an area like a driveway or sidewalk. However, it can also be used metaphorically to describe getting out of a situation that is difficult or burdensome. Let's look at some examples of how shovel out can be used. 1. After the blizzard, we had to shovel out the driveway before we could go to work. 2. I spent the whole weekend shoveling out the garage. It was full of junk. 3. They're working hard to shovel out the town after the mudslide. 4. Sometimes, you need friends to help you shovel out from financial trouble. As you can see, the phrase can apply to both literal and figurative situations. Remembering the phrase, shovel out, can be easier if you visualize the action. Imagine someone using a shovel to clear a space, or think of a time when you had to work hard to get out of a tough spot. The key here is to associate the phrase with the action of removing something from a space or situation. Thank you for joining me in exploring the phrase, shovel out. Whether you're dealing with actual snow or the snowballs life throws at you, now you can talk about it like a native speaker. Keep practicing, and may your learning path be well shoveled out and clear. Until next time, happy learning!